Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly resolve Wi-Fi drops on your Red Magic Astra tablet. To do that, all we have to do is enter settings on our tablet and then go down to System and Update menu in settings. Then here we're gonna have to go to Reset Options and select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then confirm. And after that, we're gonna have to go back to Wi-Fi. First, let me disable airplane mode in network connectivity. So in Wi-Fi, reconnect to your network, enter the password to it, then tap connect when you're ready. And now to improve your connectivity, what you can do is go to the game mode and then open the GameCube settings by tapping right here. Then go to net settings and enable Wi-Fi with low latency. And this will improve your connection speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.